Egad! Too much splashing, she's gonna blow! How's she holding up?
Sir, every time was flooded except for the reducer pipe.
The pinch point. Is it big? Gaskets blown, manifold mangled, backflow everywhere. Oh, you're overreacting. You flushed it all away, Kopsky. You two better hope that failsafe I installed works.
Hot dog, popcorn, snorkel.
Good thing today was free axe day at the stadium. This is what you get with so-called fish kind in all its hubris and ignorance stoops so low as to cut corners in its plumbing system. Extinction is the result of being cheap. What a bunch of malarkey. At least we didn't waken the great sewer snake. Check that.
Hey, everybody. The cook's back from the toilet.